Chaga, a wondrous mushroom harvested from the northernmost parts of the world, is having a moment right now. Historically consumed as a hot tea by generations of Siberians and Alaskans, chaga aids the immune system, combats aging, helps digestive health, and more. As chaga has become popular around the world, people are discovering uses for it that had never been thought of before, including new and fashionable ways to consume it. Here's a list of some chaga recipes you may not have considered. While everyone knows about chaga tea, have you ever considered chaga muffins or chaga ice cream? These recipes will give you new and creative things to do with your chaga. Chaga Maple Frosty. Maple Frosties are a unique and tasty treat you can make with maple syrup, and they get even better when you combine them with chaga. To create a chaga maple frosty, you need 1 cup of iced chaga tea, 1 cup of small ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of crushed almonds or pecans, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can also add blueberries, but if you do, reduce the amount of ice so that your maple frosty doesn't become too runny. Take all these ingredients and blend them together. You'll know when your chaga maple frosty is ready when it's creamy and the ice has been crushed. Serve and enjoy. Chocolate Chaga Elixir. Given chaga's restorative properties, it's an ideal food to consume when you're sick. Why not make a chocolate-flavored chaga elixir to help you ward off illness? To make a chaga elixir, you need 3 cups of hot water, 2 teaspoons of chaga extract, a 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, a 1/4 cup of cashews, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 a teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of vanilla powder, and just a pinch of salt. Once you have all the ingredients, mix them in a blender until creamy. Serve while hot. Chaga muffins. It sounds crazy, but you can make muffins using chaga. Chaga's earthy flavor blends well in a muffin mix, creating a nice, light snack that can be paired with coffee or any drink of your choice. To bake chaga muffins, you need 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of honey, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 6 teaspoons of chaga extract. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 205 degrees Celsius. Use a large bowl to mix the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar together. Then use a small bowl and fork to beat the egg. Mix the milk and oil into the egg, then pour the liquid into the large bowl. Add the chaga extract and then use a fork to fold the ingredients together until they are moist. Pour the batter into a muffin pan using paper liners, bake for 25 minutes or until the muffins are golden brown, then serve and enjoy. Chocolate chaga ice cream. Ice cream won't usually be found on a list of healthy foods, but chaga is a great way to turn what might otherwise be a guilty pleasure into a snack rich in nutrients. To make chocolate chaga ice cream, you need 3 bananas, 4 ounces of chocolate, 1 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of organic cocoa powder, and 2 teaspoons of chaga extract. Mix all the ingredients in a blender until smooth and enjoy. For added smoothness, use an ice cream maker, as well as real cream and sugar. Chaga lemon water. A great drink for hot summer days, lemon water can be easily spiced up with chaga. To make chaga lemon water, you need 1 lemon, ice cubes, water, and 5 tablespoons of chaga extract. Fill a pitcher 3/4 of the way with water, then cut the lemon into wedges. Place half of the wedges in the water, then squeeze the juice from the other half into the water. Add ice cubes and chaga extract, stir, and serve chilled. Chaga Cuba Libre. Yes, it is possible to add chaga to alcoholic drinks. The Chaga Cuba Libre is one of the easiest chaga cocktails to make, with the chaga extract adding to the drink's distinctive flavor, making it stronger. Please note that you should always consume alcohol responsibly. To make a Chaga Cuba Libre, you need rum, Coke, a lime, 4 tablespoons of chaga extract, and ice cubes. Squeeze half of the lime into your glass, add the chaga, add 2 ounces of rum, add the Coke, then stir. Add ice cubes, and enjoy. Chaga hot chocolate. While chaga tea is generally consumed on cold days, why not vary things up with chaga hot chocolate? It's a unique twist on a drink associated with long nights by the fireplace. To make chaga hot chocolate, you need 1/2 liter of water, 2 teaspoons of chaga extract, 2 tablespoons of honey or coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, and 1 teaspoon of cacao butter or coconut butter. Take all the ingredients and mix them in a blender or food processor. Afterwards, strain the mixture using a sieve, heat using a stove, and enjoy. Chaga Golden Milk Latte. Chaga is a great superfood on its own, but when combined with turmeric and ginger, it becomes a force to be reckoned with when it comes to health. A golden milk latte is a great way to enjoy the benefits of all of these ingredients. To make a chaga golden milk latte, you need a third a cup of hemp hearts, a quarter cup of chaga tea, a 2-inch piece of fresh turmeric, a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 2 dates or 2 teaspoons of honey, a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. To start, mince the ginger and turmeric, then add them to a food processor or blender along with the hemp, chaga tea, pepper, cinnamon, and dates. Blend the mixture until it is thick and consistent, then add 1/3 of a cup of warm chaga tea before blending again, then enjoy. Optionally, you can strain the mixture to reuse some of the ingredients, such as in cereal. These are just a sampling of the numerous ways you can use chaga. As chaga continues to grow in popularity, customers around the world will continue discovering new ways to use this wonderful superfood. What types of chaga recipes have you come up with?